Everyone likes different things in a parfait, but we love to mix yogurt, fruit, and crunchy granola bars. So today we're making our favorite breakfast parfait along with our own homemade oat and honey granola bars. So let's make it.
This recipe is pretty easy to make. To start, we need a large bowl. We can start by tossing in 2 cups or 200 grams of old-fashioned oats, a half cup or 70 grams of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons or 20 grams of sugar, 2 tablespoons or 25 grams of brown sugar, 1/2 teaspoon of kosher salt, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. You can mix that all together with your hand. Then we can dump in 1/4 cup of vegetable oil, and then 1/4 cup of honey. And then mix that all together one more time until fully incorporated. It's going to be sticky and messy either way. If you want, you can use a spatula, or you can just go in with your hands like I did. Now the next step is to dump all of your mixture onto a parchment-lined baking sheet. Gather it all together into one big clump. Take a cup measure or any other flat surface and start pressing in all of your mixture together. We want it nice and compact if we're making bars out of it. If you don't want the crunchy granola bars and are strictly making this for parfaits, you can leave it a little bit looser and it will be easier to crumble. Once it's all nice and compacted, we can toss it into a preheated oven that was set to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius, and we can bake that for about 20 minutes. After that 20 minutes is up, we're going to drop it to 300 degrees Fahrenheit or 150 degrees Celsius. Then we're just going to let that cook in 15-minute intervals. You can take it out when it's nice and golden brown. You should notice that it comes out pretty firm, but it's still able to be cut with a little bit of effort. Once it's finished, take it out of the oven. Let it cool for 10 minutes and then cut it into bar shapes. Now to make a parfait is simple. Get any fruit of your choice and cut it up into small pieces. We love strawberries. The way I like to cut the strawberries is to cut the top off, cut it in half again into quarters, and then slice it 3 times. After you've cut up enough strawberries to your heart's content, set them aside in a small bowl. Now we can prep our granola. Once your bars are fully cooled, they should be nice and snappy now. If you compacted them super tightly into bars like I did, you may need to get a small plastic bag and crush them with a hammer or any other hard object. Once it's crushed into bits of your desired size, set that aside as well. Now all you have to do is get the yogurt of your choice, and then mix together your fruit and granola. Then you have one amazing, healthy, and light breakfast waiting for you. Let's take a look at our final product.
So there we have it. We made parfaits using our homemade crunchy granola bars. The granola is super tasty on its own, and when paired with a parfait, it makes for a delicious and light breakfast. So if you enjoyed the video or learned something, please leave a like and subscribe. We have plenty more videos on the way. Thanks for watching.